Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create a beautiful pie chart inside of Google Sheets. So as you can see here, I have created a very simple table which relates the country with the wealth that they possess, okay, as a percentage in the global scale. Meaning, for example, that the US has a wealth of 30.8% of the total global wealth, okay? So now, what you want to do is you want to select all of your data that you want to include in your pie chart, as I'm going to do in here, basically. I'm just going to go from the very bottom to the very top, and I'm going to include the labels also, if I want to include them, okay? And what I want to go now is to go to Insert and select Chart. Now, as you can see here, Google automatically is going to recognize that the best kind of chart for this table is actually a pie chart. So this is going to be the default option, right? But you can change this by going to the very bottom here and looking for pie. And you have different options that you can choose. You can choose the donut chart, you can choose the 3D chart, which is what I'm going to keep actually because I think that it looks the best. And now let's go also to the customization options. As you can see here, I can select the data range in case that I don't want to include certain countries or certain rows. I can just change this. As you can see here, let's clip it to A2, okay? And as you can see here, the US is now no longer present. It's only the rest of the countries, but I'm just going to keep it default by now. We can also click on Customize and change the chart style and change the background color, the fonts, the size of the font, a lot of different options that we have in here. But I find that the default option usually works the best. So that's it. Thank you very much.